Namaste and welcome to my channel. I am Suchit and today I'll be telling you guys about the best Anki deck that is available as of now to practice and learn medicine. If you are new to Anki, then I strongly suggest you to watch my video on what is Anki. Link in the description below. I would like to say this first. Creating your own flashcard is the best way to go, but more on it on some other video. But today, let's dig for the best pre-made Anki deck. Finding the right pre-made deck is a mammoth task, but I'm here to help you guys. No matter which examination you are preparing for, whether it is USMLE or PLAB or NEET PG or the next exam, or even if you just want knowledge, just want to learn something that is going to stick with you for the rest of your life, then you have a wonderful deck made by Anki. But more on it in a while. If you are preparing for USMLE and using BNB as your primary resource, then you can check out Lightyear deck. And if you are using other resources, you can check out Zanki deck. But I strongly recommend you using Anki because it has systematically tagged specific cards even from boards and beyond, or from first aid, pathoma and many more. I'm not at all sponsored by Anki and I don't need to, because they have done much to the medical community and kept their decks absolutely free. Yes, you heard me right, you don't have to pay a penny to access these pre-made decks. Let me guide you through how to get the latest version of the Anki deck. Go to the Anki website. You can learn more about Anki from here or through their YouTube channel. Scroll down to the bottom, you will find option of medical pre-made decks. And then again scroll down until you get the download links options. And from there select version 7. The link will redirect you to their Reddit page. Find the download link from the comment sections and get the deck which has cards for both step 1 and step 2 with media. Let me warn you guys, it's over 3 GB of document, but don't worry, once you import decks into your Anki, you can free up the space by deleting the downloaded file. After you import the deck, wait for the notification which warrants you about how many cards are imported. Now you are ready to learn new flashcards. But if you want to stay organized in the way in which new cards pop up, then follow my guidelines. First, make sure you have selected Anki deck. Then go to the left corner 3- icon and select card browser. Then go on 3-dot right icon and select filter by tag. Tags is the feature that makes this deck the best of all. Let me give an example. Suppose you have studied thyroid disorders today and you want to quiz yourself on that particular topic. Then you may do so with selecting those particular tags. So search for hashtag Anki _step 1 _version 7 hashtag boards and beyond, and then search endocrinology and then select all the tags related to thyroid disorders. Now you see all the cards from that particular topic. Then if you wish, you may preview the cards by selecting all and then preview, and learn them here without spaced repetition. But I often like to select all the cards and reschedule it for after one day. I do this because it gives me ample time to forget, and then when I quiz myself through Anki, the next day I get to know on which sections of the topic am I really weak at. Then do all your cards for the day and let Anki do its magic and will repeat the cards as per its algorithm. Now don't worry if you wanna edit any cards. You may do so just by clicking on top right 3-dot icon and select Edit Note. You can also mark the important cards and delete the unwanted, or even reschedule the cards. Also, in the options section, you can change the settings for your new cards. These are my settings. Note, these are different from default settings and are based on the recent scientific findings. If you want to learn more, I have dropped down a link to that video in the description box below. You can also change other settings for review, lapses, and many more. Also, in the home menu, you have some more settings, including reviewing, appearance, gestures, timers, and many more. You can also toggle between bright mode and dark mode at ease. And you can check your progress through statistic options. So, are you ready to learn through Anking? Do give it a try. And thank you for watching.